Hey everyone, this is Ryan B with Practical Forex Trading. This is your weekly analysis for the Nasdaq. So Nasdaq 100. The date is May 17th, 2020, 10:56 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Make sure you subscribe to all of our videos by clicking that red subscribe button at the bottom right hand corner of your screen. We do videos on gold, different indices, Forex, euro dollar, pound dollar, you name it. Actually, I'm just trying to gauge interest, what people are most interested in. So if there's a currency or commodity you'd like to see a chart about, make sure you let me know. Okay. We're looking at the daily chart here, and that means each one of these candles represents a day of price action. So my sentiment is bearish. Even though this looks like a bit of a V recovery, all the other, so S&P, the Dow, FTSE, they're all telling me that we're going to see a longer term sustained recovery of the market and not just an immediate V. So with this, we saw last week sell-off at the 9,300 level. I believe we're going to see some range trading between 8,350 and 9,000. Sorry, there's a little typo there. I should say 9,000. So range trading between here. I think we're going to see prices now just kind of like it's stuck in this purple zone, unless we have a giant sea change in the way markets are being interpreted right now that would warrant for enough buying to push this above 9,300. So we can say that I am bullish above 9,300. But I don't think that's going to happen anytime soon. I think the more likely scenario, like I said, is that we could see another attempt this week, another attempt of 9,300, but I don't think it's going to pierce through. We're going to see another sell-off. Let's go ahead and zoom out to the bigger picture. Now, I do believe we are on the uptrend. I mean, this is an uptrend, obviously, looking at it. This is your long-term no. This shows over a decade of price action. So let's go back here all the way to the last recovery. Yeah, I mean, of course, any analyst will tell you, yeah, the market's on an uptrend, and it is. I mean, long term, I feel good about this trend. I feel good about buying into the dip, but I don't. If you didn't get this dip over here a couple months ago, you're probably going to want to wait, I guess is what I'm saying. Just from a trader perspective, I'm not telling you what to trade, but just my observations. So if we go ahead and map out that long-term trade and then reframe this, we see that price could still really be on that multi-year uptrend, multi-decade uptrend, no problem, even if prices were just to go massively sideways for the next few years, right? So this shows the end of 2021 or 2020. You know, even if we went all the way down here to the 7,600 mark, that would cause a whole bunch of crazy headlines in the news, and a bunch of fear and panic, blah, blah, blah. But you as a trader could say, hey, no problem. This is even better buy than I had before. I'm going to buy more. I would recommend not buying now because you're near the top, right? So don't buy the top, don't sell at the bottom. Pretty much that's trading basics. And intuitively, our psychology compels us to do the opposite. So, all right, so you've identified this short-term uptrend, but it looks like it's about to end soon. So I encourage you to be patient and wait. We could see another scenario that could happen is that prices could just hang out here to 83.50, not even return down to the 7,500 mark. So that would look like a parallel channel uptrend. So see how I have a trend line here moving up? I take my parallel trend channel and I click 2 points that match the angle, and I drag up. If we think about it like that, let's go ahead and make a color that, there we go. If we think about this blue band as support, then so what if prices come down? If the index comes down 600,000 points, we know we're still above this trend channel. We're still in this zone, this range trading zone, and we know overall, big picture, zoom out, it's an uptrend. But if we look down here at our timeline, 2021, 2022, looks like you could have a few years of buying before we realize all new all-time highs. If we see 9,300 get broken and its price sustains above there, well, then I'll be singing a different tune. But for now, short term, bearish, long term, bullish. All right, everyone, have a great week. I hope you make a lot of profit trading. We'll talk soon.